Hey guys, thanks for being with me again. Second dish or second recipe for today would be bird's nest. So just be with me guys. Let me show you what are the ingredients we would be needing. So starting from green peas, boiled green peas, boiled potatoes, cottage cheese, right, grated. We need one more small amount of cottage cheese, right, for bird's nest eggs, right, and black salt, right, ginger powder, green leaves, coriander leaves and mint leaves, ginger garlic paste, right, black pepper, salt, lemon, it's to taste, and it's a mixture of cornstarch, right, with some water, right, and vermicelli, right. It is easily available in each and every household. One bowl, right, and a big spoon to mash and mix all the ingredients, and oil for frying. So just be with me guys. So let me update you step by step process. So just be with me. Thank you. Step 2 guys. So here we will be mixing all the ingredients, right. Boiled peas, right, just take like 2 to 3 tablespoons. Second, we need boiled potatoes, right. While boiling you can add a pinch of salt, right. It will be needing to bind all the ingredients all together. Cottage cheese, right, known as paneer, right, to bind all the things. Grated. A pinch of black salt. Here we are not be using the white salt, right, initially it's the black salt we are using to taste, right. Then we have the ginger powder, 1 pinch of ginger powder. Then we will be using the black pepper, right, lemon juice at the end, some ginger garlic paste we will be using, and green leaves will be using at the end for garnishing, right. Oil for frying. So just add few drops of lemon juice into it. Again it's to taste. So mashing all the ingredients all together with the help of spoon, right. So it has to be very smooth, right, because we have to make little balls, right, to shape up later on for the nest, right. It would be the nest base. So here guys, next step would be to make balls out of the mixture, right, like this. We can have like 2, 3, 4 balls, whatever is required. So guys, next step would be, as our balls are ready, right, so we need to shape it up, right. We need to shape it up as a base for the nest, right guys. So be very gentle and press it up with your thumb, right, in the middle, right, and just do like this as I'm doing it. Very neat. You need to be very gentle guys with this trick, right, and you need to make like this a little ball, or you can say a little bird's nest we are looking forward to make like this, right. So like this we have to cover it up for the other balls also. So be with me guys. So guys, we are ready, right, for the next step, right. Simply you have to take this up, right, take a fork, mix the cornstarch and water paste. You just need to dip it up, right, have a coating, nice coating into it. Don't worry, right, spilling happens, right, whenever we are working, spilling happens. So you need to take this up, do the vermicelli dip, right, then you use your hand. We have to do with every you can say other nest also. Take it up, dunk it up into the paste, right, cornstarch paste, and then next is vermicelli dip. Make sure it is coated upside and down, right? So we need to refrigerate this thing, right, for like at least 15 minutes to half an hour, and then we will be doing a deep frying the same. Just be with me guys, I will keep you posted and updated. Hey guys, thanks for being with me. So here we are on the second last step, right, before garnishing of this bird's nest. So just focus on this one. We have here this nest resting in the refrigerator for half an hour. So now we will be deep frying. My wok is ready, right? The oil is all ready, right? So here we are putting up. So here we are guys, frying it one by one. Once the oil is hot, right, make sure the oil is hot enough, right, and keeps the temperature, right, not too low, not too high, because this one is cold enough from the refrigerator, right. So after it is going towards the golden brown color, you can just sim the gas a little bit and just a little bit of twist and just let it rest for like another 1 minute, right, and it will be done. So guys, our frying is done. So now we have to make little ball shapes or egg shapes with the remaining cottage cheese, right. We need to smash a little bit, mash a little bit into a nice paste, and then we can just roll down it towards the presentation. So presentation is the key towards everything. It should look tempting. So I guess this one is already looking tempting. So just to add a little bit more, right, we will be plating it up, right. So here we are, we have made 4 nests, bird nests. So serving it up with some spicy and mid spicy towards sweet side chutneys, you can say, right, or sauce. So starting with a coriander leaf, right, putting 1 coriander leaf, and 1 mint leaf before we place the egg. So guys, 1 mint and 1 coriander leaf. So 1 mint guys and 1 coriander. So guys, here we are towards the final plating, placing the eggs nicely, right.